So I'm just starting out with this picture of a tree and the background has already been cut out. So all I'm going to do is just duplicate it and then flip it around. And you want to make sure that it matches up, so whatever branches are on the left need to match up to the branches on the reflection as well. And then I'm just going to add a mask layer. Then I'm going to click the fill tool and I'm going to drag from the start of the tree to the bottom, and then I'm going to change this to black. And I'm just going to lower the opacity as well to about 50%. And then you can just add a background. So I'm going to click on the fill layer and drag that to the very bottom. And on the colour wheel you can just change the colour.